Hi friends, this is Rashekar, a GATE faculty for electrical machines. Today in this video, let's conclude the line turns ratios. We know that delta delta and star star, star delta and delta star. We saw these four connections. In delta delta line turns ratio, the line voltage of delta is equals to phase voltage and line voltage of delta is equal to phase voltage by x. Phase gets cancelled, so its value x is to 1. And next one, star star, the line voltage of star is equals to root 3 times of phase voltage and line voltage of star is equals to root 3 times of phase voltage by x, gets cancelled, x is to 1, and the line voltage of star is root 3 times of phase voltage. The line voltage of delta is equals to phase voltage. This is x is to 1 by root 3, x is to 1 by root 3, and here the line voltage of delta is the phase voltage, line voltage of star is the root 3 times of phase voltage by x. Phase gets cancelled, so the answer is x is to root 3. We already derived these values. Here x is to 1, x is to 1, x is to 1 by root 3, x is to root 3 for same turns on each phase. Here we have a 1 nothing but 100%. Here also 1 nothing but 100%. Here 1 by root 3 nothing but only 57.7%. Here root 3 nothing but 173.2%. So we discussed about delta delta and star star. Delta delta is used for high current, low voltage applications. Star star is used for high voltage, low current applications. We know that, it is clear. Now we have to discuss about star delta and delta star. Generally, this star delta, for same number of phase turns, it produces only 57.7% of voltage only. But in delta star, for same number of phase turns, it produces 173.2% of voltage. So for same phase number of turns, it produces least EMF. For same number of phase turns, it produces most EMF, highest EMF. That's why this is the least economical and this is the most economical configuration. This is the least economical configuration and this is the most economical configuration ever. Because for same number of phase turns, it produces less voltage, it produces higher voltage. And in generally, in between these two, this star delta is well preferable for step down applications. This is well preferable for step down applications. And this delta star is applicable for step up applications. Remember, step up applications. This is very important. Delta star is used for step up applications only, and star delta used for step down applications only. Now you have one doubt, sir, in distribution transformer, which is preferable, sir? In distribution transformer, ultimately delta star only preferable, sir, no doubt. Sir, is the distribution transformer step up transformer or step down transformer? Exactly, distribution transformer is a step down transformer. 100% correct answer. Sir, you said that for step down applications, star delta is preferable. But here, for step down applications, you are using delta star. Sir, is this is correct or is this is correct? Which is the correct answer between these two? Which is the correct answer between these two? This is correct and this is also correct. Sir, how it is correct, sir? Actually, delta star is used for step up, right? But here you said that for step down. No, ma. Just listen here carefully. In generally, for step down, we should use star delta only. For step down, we should use star delta only. But the special case, distribution transformer is a special case. Even though distribution transformer is step down, but we must need a neutral grounding. We must need a neutral grounding. If you use delta star for distribution transformer, there is no neutral grounding in the secondary. That's why this is not preferable for distribution transformer. For distribution transformer, we must need a neutral grounding. That's why even though it is step down, we are using delta star only. We are using delta star only. This is the special case. But in generally, delta star is used for step up applications and star delta is used for step down applications. See, because I given you numericals also. This is the line turns ratios, which is very important. They may ask you question. Is it okay? Right? Thank you.